there, welcome to eRussian channel. I'm Victoria, your Russian tutor, and in this Russian lesson we're gonna talk about Russian gender and Russian possessive pronouns. Are you ready? Let's get it started. I will teach you how to apply these Russian basic rules of forming the gender to real life situations. So we also have gender in Russian, and it has three forms. So the first form is masculine, and the basic rule, all the masculine nouns,
they end in a consonant.
So for example, an easy word, you know it already, dom. Да? Dom means the house, dom. So then we have
Женский род and the feminine nouns.
They usually get the ending a, like in the word mama. You see? Ma. So this is letter A.
Моя мама – герой.
So mama. Or it can also have the letter ya, like in the word земля. Хорошо. So, you see, for the masculine form, we had a consonant here. For the female form, we have a or ya, and also
For the soft sign, мягкий знак with an abstract notion.
pain. So, pain would be боль. And love would be любовь. So, боль or любовь. So now guys, let's take a look at the neutral form. So it will have the ending O and the ending ye. For example, I don't know if you can see it, but there is a window. That's why it's so much light. So the window would be окно. And the sea would be море. So окно, море. So guys, most of you make the same mistake. You always confuse genders. I hope after this Russian lesson, you're not going to make this mistake anymore. So guys, and now let's study possessive pronouns in Russian. So you probably know the form мой. Like my house would be мой дом. So for the masculine nouns, we always use the form of мой. So if it's my, you say мой. If it's yours, informal way, you say твой. Yeah? Let's repeat together. Твой. Хорошо. Молодец. So the next one is his or hers. So his would be его. Хорошо. And hers would be ее. So, for example, his house is also его дом. Her brother would be ее брат. And the good news is that his and her, we don't change it. So it's always его, ее. It doesn't depend on the gender in this case, because it's always the same form. So if you say his house, his apartment, his window, it still will be его. So его, ее. Then also unchangeable form is их. So их means their. So these three forms will never change. So его, ее, их. Their mother. Их мама. His phone. Его телефон. Her dog. Ее собака. So, мой, as we said before, мой дом, my house. Then, if you want to say
The feminine pronoun of
мой, you would say моя. For example, моя квартира. Моя квартира would be my apartment. My face is Моё лицо. Because лицо, face, is the neutral noun. Моё лицо. Моё лицо. My face. So we have мой дом, my house. Моя машина, my car. Моё окно, my window. 3 forms. Да? So the same way we will do with the word твой. So твой means yours in formal way. Твой друг, your friend. Твой друг. If it's your female friend, you would say твоя подруга. Твоя подруга. And if it's your window, you'd say твоё окно. Твоё окно. Хорошо. So, the next one is наш. Наш is many people. Наш. Наш дом. For example, this is our house. I would say это наш дом. Это наш дом. Это наша машина. So this is our car. Это наша машина. And this is our window. Это наше окно. So you have 3 forms. Masculine one is наш. Feminine form is наша.
Наша. Russia.
Neutral form is наше. Наше. Хорошо. So, and the last form I would like to talk about with you in this Russian language tutorial is ваш. Ваш. And ваш means yours. Yours formal way or yours for plural. Like if you want to say yours of all of you guys. So, if you say your president is Vladimir Putin, you would say ваш президент Владимир Путин. Да, президент. So that's why it's a masculine noun. And the masculine noun gets the possessive pronoun ваш. To say yours. Your or yours. Ваш. Затем we would say ваша. Ваша машина красная. Your car is red. Ваша машина красная. Да. Ваша машина красная. Your face is red. You can say ваше лицо красное. Ваше лицо красное. Ваше лицо. Your face. Ваше лицо. And now, of course, I'd like to give you a small quiz so you can test your knowledge. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's start. So the first question would be your female friend. Your friend. Female friend. If you want to say the word your in an informal way. So choose. I'll give you 3 options and you need to choose which one is used correctly with the word подруга. So подруга means a female friend. Подруга. Подруга. So твой, твоя, твое. Which one would you choose? Давай. Давай. So я считаю до 3. I'm counting till 3. 1, 2, 3. Is the second form. Твоя. So your friend, your female friend will be твоя подруга. Твоя подруга. The second question is their cat. So their cat. Cat is кот. Their cat would be first option. Ваш кот. Их кот. Наш кот. Which one would you choose? So the correct answer, правильный ответ будет их кот. Молодец. So the third question would be my book. How would you say my book? мой книга, моя подруга, моя книга, мой книга, моя подруга, моя книга. Which one? Yes, this is the third option. Моя книга. And let's move on. We still have 2 more questions in this Russian quiz. Четвертый вопрос. Сумка. Сумка means the bag, final bag, or any bag. So, my bag would be the first option. Моя сумка. Мой сумка. Моё сумка. So, which one would sound more naturally? Моя сумка. Моя сумка. So, моя сумка. Правильно. Correct. Хорошо. И последний вопрос, and the last question. Our tree. Our tree. So, tree would be дерево. Наш дерево. Ваше дерево. Or наше дерево. So, which answer would be the correct one? Раз, два, три. Наше дерево. Молодцы. Наше дерево. Okay, so that was probably not so difficult, but also you will probably wonder how do we form the plural form for the possessive pronouns. Here is the solution.
Change the ending per «и».
So, мой in the plural form becomes мои. 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 So, мои друзья, my friends. Мои друзья. Then, for to say yours would be, try to guess. If the initial masculine form is твой, then plural form would be твои. Твои. So, твои квартиры, your apartments. Oof. Твои квартиры. Твои квартиры. Then, as I said before, his, hers, and theirs, we don't change. So, his apartments, его квартиры. Her cars, ее машины. And their sisters, их сестры. Их сестры. Okay, so наш, our, like our friends would be наши друзья.
А наши люди.
Your, in the plural form, your books will be ваши книги. That's it. Let's recap. So, to say my, depending on the next word you use with it, you would say мой друг, my friend, мой друг. If it's the female friend, you would say моя подруга, моя подруга. If it's your window, you'd say моё окно. And if it's the plural form, my windows, мои окна. Мои окна. So, мой, моя, моё, мои. One more time. Мой, моя, моё, мои. Мой, моя, моё, мои. Мой, моя, моё, мои. Woof! Молодцы. Try to sing it is the best way. At least it helps me. Really, it helps me when I learn languages. It really helps. So, твой, твой, твоя, твоё, твои. Твой, твоя, твоё, твои. Ваш, ваша, ваше, ваше. Его, 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 его. That's an easy one, no? Ее, 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 ее. Cool. And их, 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 их means theirs. theirs. Да? And ваш, yours, your, formal or plural, да? Ваш office, your office. Ваша мама, your mother. Ваше задание, your task. And ваши цветы. Наш дом, наша вода, наше дерево и наши цветы. Наши цветы. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope this Russian lesson was useful for you. If so, please give me a like and don't forget to subscribe, because every Sunday I upload a new Russian lesson, so you will be the first one to get it. If you have any ideas, questions, comments, please let me know in the section below. Write down right there, so I'll be happy to answer all of your questions. Please feel free to write down. Okay, and I hope this Russian language course will help you learn Russian from zero to hero. Спасибо и до скорых встреч. Пока!